Welcome to Terapage. To create a Linkup task, first go to the Researcher dashboard. From the dashboard, open the specific workspace and study where your Multitask Research Activity is located. Next, go to Research Activities and select the Multitask Research Activity where you want to add the task. Once you open the activity, go to Research Activity Options and click on Add Task. You will now see multiple task types that you can add to your Multitask Research Activity. From these options, select Linkup Task. The Linkup Task allows you to display messages, integrate external URLs, connect discussions, or navigate participants to another destination after completing a task. Now, start by entering the task name to give the task a clear and identifiable title. Next, add the question or instructions to explain what participants need to do before following the link or navigation. Under Task Configuration, you can configure each segment of the Linkup Task. For Segment 1, enter a label name to define the option that will be displayed to participants. Next, under Select Style, choose the style you want to use for the Linkup option. You can select either primary or secondary, depending on how you want the option to appear. Under Select Destination, choose where the participant should be directed. The available destinations can include options such as Jump to a Task or Journal Recap. After selecting a destination, configure the Linkup status. You can select the appropriate status, such as complete or pending, depending on the intended state of the Linkup. Next, enter the required destination value based on the destination you selected. You can enable Open a new tab if you want the selected destination to open in a separate browser tab. Click Add Segment if you want to add another Linkup option, then configure the additional segment in the same way. Under Task Settings, enable Response Required if participants must complete the task before proceeding. You can also enable Ask for a reason to skip if participants should provide a reason when skipping the task. Enable Show Confirmation before redirect if you want participants to confirm their action before being redirected to the selected destination. Under Advanced Settings, Limit who can complete this task allows you to control which participants are eligible to complete the task. You can also use Customize Points awarded for task completion to set the number of points participants receive for completing the task. Finally, use Add Task Guidance to provide any additional instructions participants may need before following the link or navigation. Once all the required settings are configured, you can click Save as Draft if you want to continue editing later, or click Create Task to add the Linkup task to your Multitask Research Activity. Your Linkup task is now created and ready for participants to use. Thanks for watching.